Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Chat English. I'm Emily, and today we are going to talk about something we all love, food.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm Josh, and yes, today is all about delicious food. Everyday meals, Italian cuisine, shopping for food, and how to order food in English like a pro.
Let's start with the first meal of the day, breakfast. Josh, what do you usually eat in the morning?
I like to keep it simple. Toast with butter and honey. And of course, coffee. Always coffee.
Same here. I love fruit in the morning. Maybe an apple or some strawberries with yogurt. It's fresh, sweet, and gives me energy.
Sometimes I eat cereal with milk, especially when I'm in a hurry.
Do you know what Italians eat for breakfast?
Yes, it's very different from other countries. In Italy, breakfast is usually light. Maybe a croissant, some toast with jam, and a strong espresso.
Right, no big meals. Just something small and sweet with coffee.
Lunch is my biggest meal. I often eat rice, chicken, and vegetables. Sometimes I cook pasta.
I love soup and sandwiches for lunch. A warm vegetable soup or a tuna sandwich with a little salad.
Do you know a classic Italian lunch? Pasta with tomato sauce or risotto with mushrooms. And of course, a small salad on the side.
Dinner can be light or special. My favorite dinner is homemade pizza, with lots of cheese and fresh vegetables. What about you?
Pizza sounds great. I usually eat pasta or a big salad with eggs and tomatoes. Sometimes, I cook Italian-style pasta, with garlic, olive oil, and a little Parmesan cheese. Simple and so good.
Josh, what are some popular Italian dishes?
Ooh, easy. Pizza margherita, lasagna, spaghetti bolognese, risotto, ravioli, and for dessert, tiramisu.
My favorite is gelato, Italian ice cream. So many flavors. Pistachio, strawberry, chocolate.
And don't forget mozzarella, basil, olive oil, and garlic, key ingredients in many Italian meals.
Now let's talk about snacks. Josh, what do you eat when you're just a little hungry? Not a full meal?
Well, I like to keep it simple. I often eat popcorn, especially when I'm watching a movie. I also like nuts, almonds or peanuts, and sometimes just a piece of fruit like an apple or banana.
Sounds healthy, but what about sweets? Do you have a favorite dessert?
Oh yes, I love chocolate cake, especially with a cup of tea. And cookies. Chocolate chip cookies are my favorite. I also like apple pie. Warm pie with a little cinnamon. Mmm.
Wow, that sounds delicious. I have a sweet tooth too. I love vanilla ice cream with caramel, or sometimes I eat a muffin with my coffee, like a blueberry muffin or banana muffin.
Do you like pancakes? I sometimes make
Oh, have you ever tried gelato? It's Italian ice cream and it comes in many flavors. Pistachio, lemon, hazelnut.
Yes, gelato is amazing. I had it in Italy once. The strawberry flavor was so fresh.
And what about biscuits or donuts? They're perfect with tea or coffee.
Yes, I like a jam-filled donut sometimes. And brownies. Soft, chocolatey, and so good.
So many choices. Sweet snacks can be a treat after a long day, or even a little reward.
Just remember, snacks are fun, but not too many every day.
True, everything in balance. But sometimes, a little cookie is exactly what we need.
Fruits and vegetables are important every day. My favorite fruits are bananas and mangoes. For vegetables, I like broccoli and carrots. I usually steam them or cook them in a soup.
I love grapes and watermelon. My favorite vegetables are cucumbers and spinach. I often add them to salads. They're fresh and full of vitamins.
I sometimes eat apples as a snack. They're easy to carry and very healthy. And I also like peaches in the summer, so juicy and sweet.
Yes, I also enjoy berries like strawberries and blueberries. They're perfect in yogurt or smoothies.
Do you eat avocados? I like them on toast with a little salt and lemon.
Yes, avocado toast is one of my favorites. And for vegetables, I really enjoy zucchini and bell peppers. They're great when grilled.
We can do so much with fruits and veggies. Eat them fresh, cook them, Mix them in meals or drinks.
That's right. They help us stay strong, healthy, and full of energy every day.
Let's go shopping. When you're at a supermarket, you can say, "Excuse me, where's the bread? Do you sell olive oil? Where can I find cheese?"
When it's time to pay, you can ask, "Can I pay by card? Do you take cash?" And always say, "Thank you, have a nice day." Now let's imagine we are in an Italian restaurant. What can we say?
First, when you enter, "A table for two, please." Then, "Can I see the menu, please?"
When you're ready, "I'd like the spaghetti with tomato sauce. I'll have the pizza with mushrooms, please."
And drinks, you can say, "A glass of water, please. A cola, please." If you don't understand something on the menu, ask, "What is this? Is it spicy? Does it have cheese?"
And when you finish, say, "The bill, please." In the US, people often say, "Can I get the check?"
If you're at home and hungry, you can order food by phone or app.
Say, "Hello, I'd like to order a pizza." Then, "One large pepperoni pizza and 2 colas, please."
Don't forget your address. My address is 12 Green Street. Then ask, "How long will it take? Can I pay with card or cash?"
Simple, fast, and delicious. Practice time, repeat with us.
Ordering food. "I'd like the chicken soup, please. Can I?"
A bottle of mineral water, please. I'd like a slice of chocolate cake. Can we have the bill, please? Can I see the drinks menu?
Asking questions. "Do you have any vegetarian dishes? Is this dish spicy? What is this made of? Does this have meat or fish? Can I order this without cheese? Is there anything gluten-free? What do you recommend? How long will it take?"
Paying. Can I pay with card? Do you take cash? Is service included? Can I split the bill? Can I pay now? Do you accept contactless payment?
Talking about favorites. What's your favorite food? My favorite dish is spaghetti carbonara. I love pizza with extra cheese. I like sweet desserts like tiramisu. I don't like spicy food. I prefer tea to coffee. I always eat fruit in the morning.
Grocery shopping. Excuse me, where is the bread? Where can I find the eggs? Do you sell fresh basil? I need tomatoes and garlic, please. How much is this cheese? Can I try a sample? I'm just looking, thank you. Wow. Today we learned a lot. Daily meals, Italian food, snacks, shopping, and how to order in English.
Yes! And now you can talk about food in English with confidence, at home, at a restaurant, or while traveling.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Let's Chat English, and share this podcast with your friends.
And don't forget to leave a comment. What is your favorite food? Do you cook or order it?
We'd love to hear your food stories. Thank you for joining us.
See you next time on Let's Chat English. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Stay full, stay happy, and keep learning.